Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the first unboxing review on the channel. Today we will be reviewing and unboxing the Echo Dot Generation 3. So, before we actually start the unboxing, let's just take a look around the box that is here. So, on the front you can see the charcoal black version. We got that because it blends in nicely with our furniture. So we have on the front, we just have basic commands that the Echo Dot can do. Right here we have far field voice control. This basically means that you can call, or you can make commands from a very far distance. It's incredible how far it can actually go. So here we just have the capabilities of the Echo Dot. Obviously it has Alexa, it's Amazon. We have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and audio line out. This basically means that you'll be able to make calls on the Echo Dot. So these are just basic instructions for the Echo Dot, just how you can add the actual device and how to customize it and stuff like that. You guys can pause and read that if you want to. On the final side, we have skills of Alexa, the Echo Dot. And right here, what we have are just some basic things that Alexa can connect to and do stuff with. So we also have what's included, the actual Echo Dot, obviously, and the power adapter right here. So without further ado, let's open this thing up. I've already cut it already, so we can just open this up. Obviously right here, the Amazon logo right here, and as you can see, this is the charcoal black one right here. It's a very nicely designed unit. Here we have 4 buttons for just manual control. All of these buttons can be used just by commands. I'll get into in-depth of that later. So this is the microphone off. This is the, just like on a Siri, on an iPhone, the Siri button, this is basically just to wake up Alexa without talking, and volume up and volume down controls. Same as a lot of other devices on the market. Here we have the LED light strip, which is a very cool feature of Alexa and the Echo Dot. And we also have this kind of, it's kind of like a cloth feel right here. It's a mesh cloth. And obviously we have the power plug here. And on the bottom, it's a anti-slip. So it's very difficult to move around. You can't accidentally slide it around, which is a nice feature that Amazon has put in. So let us unbox the actual stuff. So inside we can see Echo Dot instructions, I'm assuming this is. Yes, so these are just things that you can do, like some skills that Alexa has and some commands that you can do. Here is the actual instruction pamphlet. I'm gonna move this stuff to the side a bit. So this is just basic things, like I explained: microphone off, volume up and down, lighting ring, etc., etc. So obviously this device has a Alexa app. I haven't yet gotten that installed, but I will eventually. Here we have, it's able to be connected to a different speaker. So you can have this as just the brains, and you can connect this to a different speaker. I'll bring one over in a second. Okay, so something like this. We can take a JBL speaker, hashtag not sponsored, but we can have the JBL and we can just have this plugged in and it'll reroute all the audio to here. So I can have this like next to my bedroom, but I can have the Alexa, like the Echo Dot, actually in the kitchen or somewhere else that it's not near. Obviously that depends on Bluetooth, but you get the idea. So now opening the box further, we have a little flap down here. And here are the cables. Okay, gonna take that out, wrap it right here. Okay, I did not do a good job unwrapping that, but here we have the box. We're gonna yeet that out of here. And I'm gonna take the instructions, we don't need those. So you have the actual dot and the power plug. This is a 15-watt power plug. It's pretty beefy. And they have the Amazon logo here, and pretty nice wrapping. But yeah, I'm gonna save that. I like that. I don't know why, but so we can plug this in here, and I will get to you when it's all plugged in. Okay, so I have gone ahead and set up the Alexa. I've already paired it with a device and so on. So this device can do a lot of things. It has voice capabilities, calling capabilities rather, and it's a very good device to have overall compared to the Google Home, which is, I think, $79.99. This device will actually only run you $34.99, which is pretty modest compared to other devices out there. And it's very versatile, very good. Obviously here we have the off. This just creates a red ring around it. And then here is volume up and volume down. Obviously I can use voice commands to do this, so I can say, Alexa, set volume to 10. So it'll set volume to 10, and I can say any integer from 10 to 1, and I can say, Alexa, turn volume down to 4. Alexa, turn volume down to 4. Yep, and as you can see, it went around and dimmed. And then here is just the action button. It'll just wake up Alexa, like, Alexa, what's 9 plus 10?
9 plus 10 is 19.
Yeah. It can do basic commands, and it can do a bunch of other things. It is such a versatile thing. I've said it so many times. It's a very good device in all to have at your house, and it's very interactive. It's just a very good device. So that's the end of the video. If you guys want more videos like this, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.